What's up guys, my name is Kanan and welcome to my channel Gamer Kanan. So today we are going to look at mail merge feature in Word. So in Word you can see the mail merge feature in the mailings tab. So how to create the mail merge feature. So I am going to explain you in a brief way what is mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in Word that let you quickly create multiple copies of letters, emails and other such documents that differ from one another in minor ways. For example, mail merge feature will prove very useful for generating multiple invitation letters where the names and the address of the recipients vary but the content of the letters remain the same. So the three main stages of mail merge process are creating the data source, creating the main document and the mail merge. So first you have to create the data source. What is data source? Data source contains the information that will vary or differ. For example, invitation letters would contain recipient's information, names, address and phone number. Next process is create the main document. The main document contains the common text and the merge fields. Merge field is a particular placeholder that will receive information from the data source during the merging process. So what is mail merge? Merge the data source and the main document. You will now use the mail merge wizard to create letters. So the steps are as follows. So click on the mailings tab, just like here, click on the mailings tab and now just here click on start mail merge. You will see the step by step mail merge wizard. Click on this step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, so click on this. So after clicking on this, you can see that there is a box here. So click on the start mail merge option. In the start mail merge group, a drop down list appears. Okay, so when click on the step by step mail merge wizard, okay, here it will be the mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the window. The task pane shows that there are 6 steps here. Next, starting the document, step 1 of 6. Okay, so the task pane shows there are 6 steps to be done to complete the mail merge process. Choose the type of document. Are you writing a letter? Are you writing an email? Are you writing an envelope or labels or directory? So we are now writing a letter, or we can also use this for email messages. So we are now only writing a letter. So I will click on letter. So after clicking on the letter gets selected. Now after choosing, click the next starting document link at the bottom of the mail merge task pane. Now choose the type of setup for your letters. Click on use the current document radio button. The current document becomes the main document. So you can also use this current document, which is I have written here, as you can see. So you can also use start from existing document, which will take you into another page. So I am using now the current document. So now you have to click the current document 1. So after clicking on the current document 1, click the next select recipients link at the bottom. So after clicking on this, you can see select recipients. Now specify the location of the data source. Choose the type a new list data button. If you are having an existing list of people, you can also click on this. This will take you to the desktop. If you have the name saved, you can click on that and that will become the data source. So we are now typing a new list. So we have to click on the type a new list. So here type a news, type the names and address of the recipients. Okay, specify the location of the data source. So after clicking on the type a new list radio button, click the create link here. Okay, create link. So after wait for title. So what is the title? So you can also make title, or you can leave this title page or click on here. For example, I am giving S dot yes. Okay, I am giving like Sumita. Company name. Okay, company name, what should I do? Like we can write Fanta. Okay, Fanta. So address line 7 was 00029. Okay, So if you want this and extra person, just click on new entry and then extra person will come. We don't want title. Your name is D dot Santa. Let's send this letter to Santa. He works in Fanta. His address is 500030. So let's do this. So after like the new dial, the address list appears. Type the required details about the recipients in the text boxes while entering. You can leave some fields blank, like you can also leave this field blank. You can leave any field blank. To add details for another recipient, click on the new entry button here, okay? In the dialog box. See, this is the dialog box, here new entry button. You can click on the delete entry button to delete this entry, or click on this entry and delete entry this button, okay? So after you have added information about the recipients, click on OK in the dialog box. After clicking on OK in the dialog box, another dialog box appears in which the save address list dialog box is displayed. So type a name for the recipient list in the file name text box and click on save. So we will write North Pole because Santa is there. So we will write North Pole. So let's just save this. So after clicking on save, the mail merge recipients dialog box opens up. This dialog box displays the details of the recipients added by you. To change any detail, you can click the edit button. When you are through, click on OK. So we do not want any changes here. So let's assume this is OK. So let's click on OK. Okay. So now click on the next write your letter link at the bottom of the task pane. This is a task pane. Now next write your letter. Okay. Click on this. Okay. Now write your letter comes here. Type the content of your letter in the current document. Add the merge fields in the current document. Place the cursor at the point where you want to insert the recipient's name and address information. Click on the address block in the task pane. So when you here click on the address block, so what will happen is that as we have saved the address of the Santa is 50030. So what we have to do is just where you want to place the address, like to no, we have to not to whom, to like Santa. So we have to now click on the address block. So as you can see, this type of thing appears. So here it will say like S Sumita Fanta 700029. Okay. So it will just come like here. So 3 lines. So you have to give 3 space or otherwise इसके ऊपर चढ़ जाएगा congratulations के ऊपर. So S Sumita Fanta 700029. Okay. You have to leave 3 fields. Okay. So this is okay. S Sumita okay. So now click on this OK button. Okay. 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 Click on OK. Now address block is added. The address block merge field gets added to the main document. Now place the cursor at the point where you want to insert solutions for the recipients. Click the greetings line link in the pane, like congratulations, now Santa you are coming to North Pole. Like that you have to like write the greetings line. Click on the greetings line. Here it says dear S Sumita. So we have to edit it like dear Mr. Randall. Randall. So dear S Sumita. Next dear D Santa. Okay. So it will come like this. You can click on this mark to go to the another name which is dear D Santa. Okay. So dear S Sumita. Is it okay? It is okay. Very okay. So now click on OK. Oh my God. I have made my mistake. So as you can see, I have made a mistake. See. So address block 1 line, 1 minute. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. So 4th line is congratulations. I have to move this line here so that the 4th line comes here. Now click on here. Now you have to click on greetings line so that any mistake does not happen. Now click on OK. So greetings line, click the greetings line link in the pane. The insert greetings line dialog box appears and you just click on like preview your letter. Now click preview your letter. So it is very easy, as you can see here, to S Sumita Fanta 700029. If you want to like move this letter a little bit up, so move this letter a little bit up, click on the backspace button and the letter will move a like little space up. Now you can click this arrow to see the dear Santa Fanta 500030, dear D Santa, congratulations. So this is the mail merge feature, in which, as you can see, we have only written the raw things and the other things are getting added to the things. So now this is a letter, we have to manually send these messages. If you click on the email button, it will be sent automatically if you are having the numbers in the Excel. Okay. So thank you for watching my video on mail merge. If you understood the concept of mail merge, please like, share and subscribe, and if you want another videos, I don't know what to do. Thank you.